It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a brand new pull-out tray system. Now, this new pull-out tray system is easier to install and more versatile and much more flexible on dimensions and sizes and things like that. All amazing things. And this still utilizes the Bloom soft close drawer glides, which you know and love, and you can see around the door hinges there's clearance, and you go ahead and close these doors. It doesn't rub or anything like that. This system can be installed in multiple different types of cabinets. It can be tall cabinets. You can use this system in, think like big pantry cabinets, in a single drawer butt door cabinet like this, base full door. There are multiple options where you can use this system, but the installation of it will be the exact same in all of those different scenarios. So now getting into features and benefits. Earlier I had mentioned there's a large variety of what you can do sizing wise with these cabinets. So there's standard size. Width of your cabinet, you're looking at 15 to 36 inches, but you can talk to your cabinet coach, you might be able to get around that, maybe a little bit bigger. As for the depth of cabinets that these can go in, these can go anywhere between 15 to 30 inch deep cabinets. And those go up in increments of 3 just due to the size of your drawer box. Now, it is important to notice if you aren't in one of those increments of 3, then you will have to go basically the next step smaller. This is a 24-inch cabinet, and it comes with then a 21-inch tray. And as you can see in the back of the cabinet, the glide is all the way to the back. So if we had a 23-inch deep cabinet, we would have to bump down then to an 18-inch drawer box. And same thing, if you had a 26, you'd have to bump down to 21, and that trend continues with all of the sizes. So if you are not in that increment of 3, it drops down to then the lower size. Another thing to keep in mind, this is a standard base here, and standard, it just comes with 2 trays. If you had a base full door cabinet, that comes standard with 3 trays, and then if you had a tall cabinet, like a pantry cabinet, utility cabinet, something like that, it would come standard with 5 trays, but you can order more. Just talk to your cabinet coach and they can suit you up with more trays. So another thing to note, with a standard base, your cleats are gonna come at around 19 inches. If you have a base full door, those cleats will be at around 27 inches. And then if you have a tall cabinet, you will be getting multiple 27-inch cleats, and you'll just stack those on top of each other, and that's how you'll install those. So a standard tray is 2 inches, but you can also get those up to 6 inches. Just gives you a little bit more reassurance of your items not falling out. And one reason that we are able to do that is because you can see here, the door hinge misses the tray completely. So that allows us to have taller drawers, taller trays in here. So even though this is a standard base and it only typically comes with 2 trays, you can add more trays to that. You could have 3, you could have 4 if you really wanted to, and take up all this space. And just keep in mind, all of this is adjustable. Each rung here, each dot that you see with the pegs, it is looks like about every inch. So you have total adjustability of your height for your trays, and you can add more, you can have less, whatever fits your needs. And that's all there is to our new pull-out tray system. As you can see, it is extremely versatile. So I hope this is the right system for you. If you want more information on it, you can either contact your cabinet coach or you can call us at 888-211-6482. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.